Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Liz. For today's video, I have my November craft kit tutorial for you guys. If you didn't know, I have a monthly subscription box where you get an unfinished wood kit along with some scrapbook paper, and every single month is a different theme. For November, the theme was winter, so this was the kit for November and I absolutely love it. I think it's so much fun. I love the scalloped pieces along with the stripes, and there's so many different ways you can finish this. You don't have to make it look like mine. You can do this however you want to do it. You can paint it differently. You can use different scrapbook pages. I mean, really, there's just so many endless versions of this kit that you could do. Along with the kit, you get a 16-page 6x6 scrapbook paper pad that comes with lots of different scrapbook paper, and it's all themed to the box. So like I said, November was winter, so these are winter pages that you get. You get lots of designs as well as some solid, and I just think that this is so much fun. So you can use this along with your kit. You can use this for other projects that you may have, other crafts, and I just think that this is so much fun. So if you want to make sure that you get this kit, sign up in November. You have till the very last day of November to sign up to be able to receive this. Starting December 1st is our new kit for Valentine's Day, which I'm so excited about. So if you want to make sure that you get a Valentine's Day kit, make sure to sign up anytime from now until the end of December, because that kit is going to be so cute. I just cannot wait. And then to give you a couple of examples of kits we have done in the past, there are all sorts of different things that we do. We do signs, shelf sitters. We do so many different kinds of kits, and I think that they are so much fun. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into our tutorial for our November kit, give you some inspiration on how you can paint it and help you to assemble your kit. So let's go ahead and jump in. So once again, here is the unfinished kit that you will receive for signing up in November. Here is our scrapbook paper pack with all the different kind of scrapbook paper pages that it comes with. Like I said, you get pages with designs on them, you get solid pages, so there's a little bit of everything for everyone. And here are all the pieces that come with your kit, just so that you can take a little inventory of all the pieces that you will be receiving in your kit. So the first thing that I'm going to do is paint my background with my Yankee blue chalk paint from Dixie, Belle, and I just gave the entire thing one good coat. You could paint this with whatever color that you wanted. Like I said before, there are endless possibilities on how you can finish this. So whatever you want to do to make it match your own home decor, definitely do that. So I am going to take out some scrapbook paper. I'm going to use this sweater looking page. I think this was so adorable. Now, one thing to mention when doing this is we accidentally cut my kit out a little bit bigger than everybody else's, which was an accident on my part. I didn't realize that mine wasn't the correct size when we were cutting them out. So mine is just a tad bit bigger. You should be able to fit these pieces a lot easier on here. You may still have to cut it into a couple different pieces like I did. I'll show you here in a minute, but I'm just taking that paper and I am outlining the pieces that I want to be covered in paper, which are the pieces that don't have the holes in the scalloped lines. It'll all make sense here in a minute when you see it all come together, but I just traced out the paper and I cut that out with my scissors. Like I said, I did have to take that paper and make it into a couple different pieces so you can see each part that I have the paper on. It does have two pieces that go with it, just so that I had, a long enough piece for each side. I just cut extra pieces out of that paper. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully I'm explaining that well enough for you to understand, but as you see everything come together, it'll make a lot more sense. So I just placed my bigger piece on top of my backing, and I'm going through and tracing out where those holes are on that scalloped piece. And I'm doing that because I want a different color popping through those holes instead of just a regular background color that we have it right now. So I'm going to start with some white chalk paint just so that I don't have to do a ton of coats of the lighter blue that I want to do. So I'm just taking a very small brush and I'm just going over all those little markings that I made where the holes were, and I'm just adding my paint there. I'm going to set that to the side to dry, and I'm going to paint the area where my other scalloped pieces with the holes are going to go on top of it. So again, I want the color poking through the holed scallop pieces. This is, I really hope that I'm explaining this well and enough for you to understand it. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'm going to be painting blue on top of it. And then for the actual scallops with the holes, I'm going to paint that all white and leave that alone. And I'm going to do that to both of my stripe pieces that have the holes in the scallops. Next, I'm going to take this really light blue color, and this is going to be the color that I want to pop through those holes. So I'm going over the white on the backing, and then I'm going to glue that down with some super glue, wood glue from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to go over the other scallop piece that I painted white with the blue again, because like I said, I want the light blue to pop through those holes. For my other two pieces where the scrapbook paper is going to go, I'm just going to take a little paintbrush and put Mod Podge all over the front of it, and then I will lay down my scrapbook paper pieces, and I just pieced all the scrapbook pieces together. So I had a total of 4 scrapbook pieces that I cut out with that scrapbook paper. Now for the words, I'm going to use a paint pen, and I'm going to go over them in white. And I just get these paint pens from Walmart. These have worked really, really well. And they have ones with a bunch of different tips. This one is one of the thicker tip ones. And I've tried a ton of white paint pens, and I think that these ones definitely work the best so far. And then you'll just go ahead and place your words onto your sign. The nice thing about this is you could arrange the Let It Snow any way you want. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine. It can be in any kind of formation that you want it to be. So I just tried to get mine as straight as I possibly could, glued all of those down, and then I decided for the snowflakes, I didn't want to make them white because I felt like that was just going to make them blend in. I wanted them to pop out a little bit more, so I decided to leave them just the plain wood color, and I think it looks so cute just like that. You can arrange your snowflakes any way you want on your sign, and then just add some glue to them and glue them down, and that is it. That's all you got to do to put together our November craft kit subscription box. I love this one, and I think it's going to look so cute throughout winter. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you want to receive this Let It Snow kit, make sure to sign up in November to get it. Also, a new thing that I'm going to be doing starting January is doing a monthly giveaway specifically for my subscription box subscribers. So if you want to be entered into a giveaway every single month, make sure that you subscribe. I will be doing 2, one for all the new subscribers of that month, and then another one for just everybody who's been subscribed. No matter how long, you will all be entered into win giveaways of crafting supplies. Maybe I'll throw in some kits for you, just all sorts of things in these giveaway boxes. So make sure that you subscribe to my subscription and you can be entered into win giveaways. And then every single month I'll be doing regular YouTube subscriber giveaways of crafting supplies. I've been trying to do those every single month, and I'm going to continue that. So lots of different ways that you can enter to win giveaways, and I just think they're so much fun, and I love giving back to all of you guys. I appreciate your support so much for this past year. It's almost been an entire year since we started our subscription box, and I didn't expect it to be as great as it has been. I just love it so much, and I'm so glad that you guys love it too. So that's it. That's there's my sappy little moment of the day. But I hope you guys know how much you guys mean to me and how much your support means to me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.